Xiaomi has launched recently its smart LED bulb in India. It was on sale for Rs 999 and the new stock will be up soon for Rs 1299. Let's unbox and see how smart it is. Hello and welcome to I Am Gizmo Geek. This is the new Mi LED Smart Bulb and it says white and color on the box. Let's quickly go through what all other information is provided on the box. So it's a 10 watt LED with adjustable brightness. It can be controlled with Google Assistant and Alexa. It has 16 million color options. The LED has 11 years of long life if not damaged, and it also can be controlled via mobile. This LED is basically sold in China and other countries as Yeelight Smart Bulb, but whereas in India it has decided to launch this product on its own brand name. You can see that the life expectancy hours is approximately 25,000 hours. So if you are using on an average of 6 hours per day, it should work for 11 years. The pricing on the box is Rs 1499, but it was sold for Rs 999 during the crowdfunding. So without further ado, let's open the box. The bottom portion of the bulb has been protected by a small cardboard piece like this. Now let me keep this box aside. Now this is the white cardboard box in which the Mi LED Smart Bulb is wrapped, and inside the box there's one Mi LED bulb and a user manual. So it has instructions how to install and connect to the Mi app. Let's keep this aside. This is the Mi LED Smart Bulb. You can see that there's a Mi branding on it, and the material is very solid. It has weight to it, it's hefty, and it feels very premium. Now this LED comes with the E27 type of connector. This is a screw threading at the bottom, but generally what we have at home is B22 type. Now if you want to use this at your home, you have to have an adapter. It is truly disappointing that Xiaomi has not included any adapter inside the box when the product was launched specifically for India, and most of the Indian homes have B22 kind of connectors. Xiaomi should have included an adapter inside the box. This is the adapter I bought from the local market. Fortunately, I got this just for Rs 25. You can see the threads inside this adapter, which align easily with the E27 type of bulb we have. Let me just connect the adapter to the bulb and show you how it looks. See, it's simple. This is how it looks once you connect the adapter. So guys, I've installed the bulb over there. I will be demonstrating how to set up the bulb and control with the phone app. First of all, you have to install the Mi Home app. I'll leave a link for this app in the description. Once you have installed the app, it will ask for the sign in. If you don't have a Mi account, go to mi.com and create an account for yourself, and you can come back here and sign in. Once you sign in, it will ask an option to add device. Now you have to click on add device and select the option lighting. Here you can see the Mi LED bulb. Here's the procedure to connect the phone to the Mi LED bulb. You have to switch on the bulb and keep it on for 2 seconds, and then again switch it off for again 2 seconds. This procedure has to be done 5 times, and the 5th time the LED will blink with different colors. Once it blinks, the bulb gets into the pairing mode. You can see that the LED is blinking now. That means the LED is in now the pairing mode. Now I can connect easily to the phone app. Just click confirm. After clicking confirm, it asks for the Wi-Fi connection so that it can be connected to the phone app. It takes couple of minutes to initialize the settings. Now you have to select which room you are assigning the bulb to be, because if you have more than one bulb, it will be easier to identify. After that, it asks for the device name. I'll name it as Mi Bulb so that it will be easier for me to control with the Google Home. And it's almost done. The final option is to share your device with other Mi accounts. If you want to control the Mi Bulb with more than one device and you don't want your account to be logged in all those devices, you can just share the bulb with them and they can control the bulb from their phone directly. And this is how the app interface looks like. If you slide down, it reduces the brightness. You can see that the brightness is reducing. And if you slide up, it increases the brightness from 0 to 100%. So basically this is the white mode we are in. Here you can only play around with the temperature of the white color. So there are basically not many color options in this mode. You can only play around with maybe white, orange and yellowish kind of colors. So this is the second mode, which is the color mode. Here you get all the options of colors. So basically in this mode you can select from those 16 million color options. The response for the color change seems to be very quick with a very minimal lag. You can see here, as soon as I change the color on the screen, it immediately gets reflected on the bulb. And even in this mode, sliding up and down will increase and decrease the brightness respectively. Now the last useful mode is the flow mode, where the color of the LED keeps changing with time. These are basically like dancing lights. You can use it for parties or maybe decorating during festivals and all. Now you might be wondering, is this light sufficient enough to lit up a small room? My answer is simply no. Let me turn off all the other lights and only keep the Mi LED bulb on. Lights off. See? The brightness is set to max, but still you can see that it hardly can lit half the room. Now I have also tried this out with Google Home Mini at my home and it works really well. Let me show you a glimpse. Okay Google, turn the Mi Bulb color to red.
Sure, changing the Mi Bulb to red.
Okay Google, change the Mi Bulb color to blue.
Sure, changing the Mi Bulb to blue.
So to sum it up, the Xiaomi Mi LED Smart Bulb is a good step towards the smart home solutions at an affordable cost of just 999 rupees. There are other options available from different brands at lower cost, but I doubt their app support and longevity. The first batch of the crowdfunding was a massive hit, with orders of around 15,000 when the target was just 4,000. The second lot is expected to come soon, but it would be mostly priced at $12.99. If you don't want to wait, there's Yeelight Bulb, which is essentially the same Mi Smart Bulb with a different brand name. It's available on Amazon for $1,300 or so. Go grab that. That's it for now guys. Hope this was helpful and we'll be back with a new video soon. Stay tuned and subscribe.